teach you how to create a playlist for your YouTube videos. If you will be uploading your videos here on YouTube without adding them in a playlist, you will be throwing away your views and your watch hour. After creating your video, ensure you do what? You group them into playlists. In this video, I am going to teach you how to add your video into playlists and how to create playlists for your videos. This is my own channel, and you can see that I have grouped my videos into playlists. You can see the 3 playlists that I have here. Do you understand? You can see the first one is Capcom editing tutorials. Now in this particular playlist, I added all my editing tutorials in this place. Then take a look at the second playlist. This is YouTube growth tips. I added all my videos about YouTube into this particular playlist. The third playlist there is Facebook monetization. You can see that I added all my Facebook tips into this particular playlist. Now what playlist does is this: if anybody visits your channel after watching a particular video, YouTube will recommend other of your video to the person. The person will be able to watch other of your video, and when the person watch other videos, it will generate more views for you, more watch time, and more subscribers for you. That is the reason why we do group our videos into a playlist. Now if you don't know how to create one, don't worry, because in this video I am going to teach you how to create a playlist and how to group your videos into a playlist. Now, this is how to create a playlist for your video. Now pick any of your video and long press on it like this. You will see this option. You will see this save to a playlist. Then click on this save to playlist, and then you can see, because I have created my own playlist, but you that have not created, you can see this new playlist. You can see this plus new playlist. Just click on it like this. Good. Now when you click on it like this, then you can now do what? Give your playlist a title. Give your playlist a title according to your video or according to your niche. You have to group a similar videos into a particular playlist. Please don't forget, if you're into comedy, you can create a playlist. You can say funny skit or family comedy or village comedy or even relationship comedy, so that whenever anybody is searching for anything on YouTube that has to do with comedy, your own video will rank. If for example the person is searching for family comedy, your own video will rank. And the good thing is this, that if your video rank, if your video come out, do you understand, the person will not watch only one video there. The person will not just watch only one video. The person is likely to watch all of your video, because everything that you put on that particular playlist has to do with that family comedy. Do you understand? If anybody is looking for funny skits, the person comes to YouTube to search for funny skits, your own video will still rank. And the good thing is that the person will not watch just one video there. The person will be able to watch all of your video, because you group your video into a playlist. That is the power of grouping your videos into a playlist. If you're into comedy here on YouTube, you can actually create your playlist and add them like this. Then if you're into lifestyle as a niche here on YouTube, this is the way you should create your own playlist. Number one, you can create a playlist and say morning routine playlist, and then group all your videos that has to do with morning routine into this particular playlist. Yes, everything that has to do with your morning routine, you can group them into this particular playlist. Do you understand? And you can still create a playlist like a self-care tips. Now this will not have to do with, maybe if you want to go and make your hair, if you want to go and make your nails, if you want to go and do your lashes, if you want to go and have your hair cut as a man, group all these things into this particular playlist. I am just giving you instant. I'm not saying you must use my own name that I'm giving you. I am giving you an instant. So if you like, you can use the name, or if you don't like, you can as well do what? Give it your own name. But ensure that you do what? You group your videos into a playlist, especially if you're a beginner here. If you're into food here on YouTube, and create a playlist and add, Nigerian recipe, everything that has to do with Nigerian food, how to cook rice, egusi, soup, and all that. Everything that has to do with Nigerian recipe food, just put them there, so that whenever anybody visits your page, if the person is actually looking for Nigerian food, which a lot of people will be searching for, when the person type it, your playlist will pop up, your channel will come out. And the good thing is that when the person visits your channel, the person will not only watch that video there, because the person wants to know all about Nigerian food. And then when your channel pops up, when your video comes up, the person might likely watch, okay, how Nigerian cook their egusi soup. The person will watch, and it's your video, and watch how they cook Nigerian jollof rice. Do you see? By so doing, you are accumulating more watch hour, more watch time. So that is the magic that a lot of people have been using to complete their watch hour very fast. If you know how to cook intercontinental dishes, you can just create a playlist and put down intercontinental dishes. You have Chinese rice and basmati rice. Do you understand? You can now create a playlist and add these particular ones there. Now that you have given this your playlist a name, the next is to click on this visibility. You can see a visibility there. Now, this is on private. If you create a playlist like this and leave it, it's on private, it means that you are the only one who will be seeing it. It is not public. So the next option on this thing that you need to do is to click on this particular icon here. Click on it. Then you put this playlist on the public. Don't put it on listed. Just go ahead and do what? And put it on public. Good job. You can see that it has changed. It's now on public. You can now click on create. So adding your videos to a playlist is one important thing that you should take serious. As you are watching me here, please go ahead and do what? And create your own playlist. So that is how to create a playlist. Go ahead and do what, and create one for yourself. If you see me for the first time, my name is Uche, and in this channel I teach content creators how to grow and monetize their channel very fast and in the right way, in the organic way. Do you understand? And I also teach you mistakes that you have to avoid so that you will not have issues here on YouTube. Now if this sounds like something that you want for your own channel, go ahead and do what, and hit the subscribe button. It is totally for free. And also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop good tutorial like this, you will benefit from it. Please don't forget to do what, give this video a very big thumbs up, and also drop your comments on the comment section. All right, also share this video to your friends so that everyone will benefit from this video, especially the new YouTubers, because here on YouTube I'm going to hold your hand like this and guide you practical step on how you can actually grow your YouTube channel very fast and in the right way, that is organic way. Now I made this video because someone actually requested for it. In one of my videos I got this question. The person said I should teach her how to create a playlist. That is the reason why I even made the video, so that I know that so many of you don't even know how to create a playlist. So that is to tell you that if you drop any question, if there is anything you want me to teach you, go ahead and do what, and drop it under the comment section. I am going to do a video for you and teach you how to do that. Anything you don't understand about YouTube, remember I am here for you. I'm going to do what, do a video and teach you how to do it. Just ask me the question, I am going to make a video for you. All right, and don't forget that here on YouTube we actually do what, we support each other. Now before you leave, you are going to go under the comment section, you are going to pick a creator and subscribe to his or her channel. You are not only subscribing to his or her channel, you also do what, watch the person's video, because here on YouTube we support each other. We help each other to do what, to do YouTube the right way. Yes, we help each other to do what, to do YouTube the right way. So my next, please stay connected and don't forget to subscribe so I'll be getting more of my video or more updates from me. Bye.